hold up our boxes, okay?
Okay.
So you get your big box.
Oh, fuck. We're gonna hold up our boxes?
Yeah, but be careful. Don't drop it. So 1, 2, 3. What's up, YouTube? We're back.
We're back.
And we got an unboxing. I mean, it's small, but...
Unboxing video.
It's small, but we're gonna do it for y'all.
Well, it's kind of small. Not my box, though. This thing is huge. Look at how long this thing is. I can't even fit it on the screen.
Dude, I know. When she gave it to me, I almost dropped it.
Well, it's
I was like, wait, hold on.
It's a 34-inch.
Yeah.
So it's like a miniature TV. But it's a...
Yeah, I know. When I picked it up, I was all like, why is it so fucking big?
Right.
Ooh. I can open this.
I'll let you do your unboxing first.
Okay. Yeah, we'll save the big best for last. Big best for last.
I'm excited. I'm not excited about this boxing, though. They put this together like shit.
I know. That's what I noticed, too. I was like, picking it up. I was all like, I'm gonna fucking drop this shit.
Better not be broken.
Yeah, better not, or else UPS is getting sued. Literally.
They ain't gonna get sued. Amazon's just gonna have to return us a new product.
Yeah. Bro, they said it wasn't gonna come until the 31st of January.
See, I told you.
Protein powder.
Protein powder, baby.
Every morning before Zumba. So
Yep.
your girl can lose some weight.
I'm gonna just do it in the morning because I already work for 12 hours a day. So that's enough workout.
Okay, your turn. The big best. I'm excited.
It's hard for me to even look around this box. It's so big.
Yeah, I'm gonna help you.
I got it.
Yeah, they put this together shitty.
Yeah, very shitty. I don't have my knife on me. Kind of sucks.
Let's rip that bitch.
It's like Christmas all over again.
I know, right?
Wait a sec. I'm gonna get this now. Come on. You shit. Wow.
Yeah.
Can't even see her over the fucking box. Oh.
Hey, at least now we have a big box for our guess the drink challenge.
Okay. Ow.
Okay, this can go back on the table. Ta-da!
Ta-da!
3
34
years
inch
later.
monitor.
It's fucking dope.
Yep.
Is it light or is it heavy?
It's heavy.
When I was holding it, it didn't feel that heavy.
It's heavy when you're holding it from sitting down like this.
No, you're right.
Okay, I got it.
Babe's struggling. Just a little bit. Yeah? Yeah. Baby girl said, hey, YouTube. Hey, YouTube.
I told you she just wanted to sit up.
Hi, yeah. Ew.
I wonder if it comes with an HDMI cord. And I
It
would've done all that
might.
with
You would
for nothing.
think.
Take the box off. Oh, it It does come with an HDMI cord, so I didn't even need to do all that.
Woo! Put that over there. Damn, that's a big ass monitor.
I know. I wanted the big one.
Yeah, I know. Because you like the expensive shit.
Actually, it was the same price, if not cheaper, than the smaller ones.
Really?
Yeah. So, I don't like the cheaper shit. I like the better shit for a better deal. Okay? See, I'm smart like that.
Is this a stand?
Here's the power for the monitor. That's the stand. This is also the stand. Some kind. Yeah, this is the stand. That actually goes on the back of the computer. Okay. Alright, that latches and unlatches the computer. Okay.
That's fucking dope.
Okay, here.
I think that's really cool. Eee.
34-inch ultra-wide HD curved monitor. Not the best in the biz, but it don't matter because I got it for a good deal.
Yours is cooler than mine. I should have ordered more shit. Oh my gosh.
Hey, I want to do them gaming videos.
A big ass fucking monitor. Why is it curved like that?
It's supposed to be curved. Yeah, it's supposed to be curved so when you're gaming, it's like you're kind of in the video game.
So guys, babe's setting it all up.
Mm-hmm.
Isn't that so fucking cool? He's got the whole setup. Now he just needs a PC.
Almost the whole setup.
Almost. But it looks dope. When we get everything situated, we're gonna show y'all how it works, so. Hey, mama girl. Hey, mama girl. She chillin'. She big chillin'. Oh, yeah. That's sick.
Ultra wide, and then
That's so satisfying.
are you recording?
Yeah.
Hey, you better be.
It's on the camera.
Yeah. Just lift it up.
Oh, yeah. Fresh. This thing is fucking awesome, y'all.
It's got the screen stretched out around you. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So like, let's say I were to show. Let me fucking take all this bullshit off. I can always look at that, right? Look how cool that fucking looks. Okay.
Oh, that is really good quality.
I know. I mean, it's no 4K, but it's really good. And I don't care, it's really good, so.
Exactly.
I wasn't expecting a cheap piece fucking monitor like this to run so well. So I need to set up. I need to go to my settings. So I need to go.
Well, it works good, y'all. So, yeah.
Yeah.
He's happy. I'm happy.
It's pretty fucking cool. I've never had one of these before, so.
Can't wait till he gets the PC, starts making YouTube.
I can actually separate. I can go like this, you know what I mean? I can fucking take this. I can separate my screens.
That's dope.
You know what I mean? Like, I can have all my chats over here. You know what I mean? And then I can open.
A whole new window. And then put it on the side.
And I can be like, okay, here's my game. And there's actually a way to fucking. adjust all the screens and shit, you know what I mean? I gotta figure out how to do the audio though. I don't know if there is audio on this thing. Like speakers.
Well, he'll figure it out. But yeah, that's our little unboxing. We're happy with what we got. Babe.
We are very happy, indeed.
So yeah.
This is pretty cool.
Like, comment, subscribe, join the family, and we'll be back with you guys with another video soon. So,
Indeed.
bye.